Hello everyone, this is Ankita Berde. Once again, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So, today we will see the very important part that is the manufacturing defects in tablets. So, now see one by one and remedies for that. So, this is the last year asked question in the exam, manufacturing defects in the tablet. The first is the capping. So here capping in what happened, there is a partial or complete removal of the top or bottom portion of the tablet. So on the screen you can see the tablet. So here what happened, that is the top portion or bottom portion of the tablet. So there is a complete removal of that is occur. So why this happen, why there is a capping occurs? So the reasons are the due to excessive fines, defective punches and the dies, that is the machine problem is there. Then high speed, due to the high speed of the machine. Then if there is a chances of the granules become too dry or high degree of compaction, these are the reasons for the capping. And what are the remedies for that? So see, reasons we had seen, based on that reasons remedies are there. So like excessive fines, so reduce the percentage of the fines. Then defective punches and dies, then high speed of the machine, so maintain that proper speed of the machine, regulate the speed of the machine. Then maintain the moisture content in the granules, then regulate the pressure on the punches. So these are the remedies for that, that is the capping. Then now see, the second one is the picking and sticking. So here what happen, the material it is remove or pick up by the upper punch from the upper surface of the tablet. जो म्हणजे काय असेल, सी इथे डायग्राम बघू शकता तुम्ही. सी हियर, आता इथे आहे हा अप्पर पंच आहे, खाली हा लोअर पंच आहे. अँड सी स्टिकिंग टू पंच अँड पिकिंग फ्रॉम द टॅबलेट, जो काय आहे अप्पर पंच जो काही आहे. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, द मटेरियल इज रिमूव्ह और पिकअप बाय द अप्पर पंच फ्रॉम दी अप्पर सरफेस. मटेरियल रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम अप्पर पंच, फ्रॉम अप्पर सरफेसमधून मटेरियल रिमूव्ह केलं जातं. अँड इन स्टिकिंग व्हॉट हॅपन, दी मटेरियल स्टिकिंग सिमिलरली, स्टिकिंगचा म्हणजे काय असतं की स्टिक होतं, आजूबाजूचे जे काय असतील वॉल ऑफ द डाय असतील त्याला काय होणार आहे, इन स्टिकिंग द मटेरियल sticks to the wall of the die. So these defects are there, so they are appear due to the worn out dies and punches. Then small quantity of the lubricants, addition of the small quantity of the lubricants. Then presence of moisture in the granules. Then suppose there is excess powder in granule. Then scratches on the surface of face of punch or defects in the formulation. So due to this picking and sticking is occur. Then what are the remedy for that? So use new set of die and punches. Then use the proper quantity of lubricants in the granules. So this is the picking and sticking, mean that material is removed or pick up by the upper punch from the upper surface of the tablet. Then now see, picking and sticking. Then next is mottling. Mottling, it is nothing but the unequal distribution of the color on the surface of the colored tablet. म्हणजे काय होतं की कलर्ड ज्या टॅबलेट्स असतील, काही टॅबलेट्स आहेत त्या प्लेन, इट्स इन व्हाईट कलर, काही टॅबलेट्स आहेत त्या काय असतात तर कलर्ड टॅबलेट्स असतात, रेड कलर असेल और वॉट एव्हर येलो कलर वगैरे असेल. तर ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं की सेम ही इमेज बघून तुम्हाला समजेल की कलरचं काय होतं, अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन होतं, अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ द कलर ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द टॅबलेट. सो वाय दिस इज ऑकर? सो it is occur due to the migration of dye in the granules during drying. Then use of different color of the medicament and excipient. There is a migration of the dye in the granule is occur. Then what are the remedies for that? That is remedies drying the granules at a low temperature. Then using the dye which can mask the color of all the ingredients of the tablet formulation. So this is the remedy for that. Then now see, हा झाला मॉटलिंग. मॉटलिंग नंतर काय आहे, डिफेक्ट टॅबलेट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगमध्ये वेट व्हॅरिएशन. सो हिअर वॉट हॅपन, ज्या टॅबलेट्स असतात त्यांचं वेट आहे दे डोंट हॅव दी युनिफॉर्म वेट, प्रॉपर वेट नसतं. because during compression what happened, during compression of the granules in the tablet machine, the tablets do not have a uniform weight. So the reasons are granules not uniform in size, then there is a excess powder in the granule, then no proper mixing of the lubricant, no uniform flow of the granules from hopper to the die, then variation in the speed of the machine occurs. So these are the reasons for that. Then next see hardness variation. So सेम हार्डनेसचे पण सेम कॉजेस आहेत जे कशाचे आहेत, वेट व्हॅरिएशनचे आहेत. सो हार्डनेस डिपेंड कशावरती आहे, वेट ऑफ द मटेरियल अँड त्याच्यामध्ये काय असेल, स्पेस बिटवीन दी अप्पर अँड लोअर पंचेस ड्युरिंग कॉम्प्रेशन. कॉम्प्रेशनच्या वेळी त्या दोघांमध्ये स्पेस आहे त्याच्यावरती हार्डनेस आहे तो डिपेंड असतो. सो इफ एनी ऑफ दिस व्हॅरीज दी हार्डनेस विल ऑल्सो व्हॅरी. जर ह्याच्यामध्ये काय झालं, व्हॅरिएशन आलं तर हार्डनेसमध्ये पण काय येतं, व्हॅरिएशन येतं. देन नेक्स्ट इज डबल इम्प्रेशन. सो दिस डबल इम्प्रेशन इट इज ऑकर्स वेन द लोअर पंच हॅज अ मोनोग्राम or some other engraving on it. So during compression, see imprint on the punch, embossing like that. So due to some defect in the machine, that lower punch moves slightly upward before ejection of the tablet and gives a second though light that is imprint on the tablet. That is double impression आहे. म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, लोअर पंच हॅज अ मोनोग्राम और त्याच्यामध्ये दॅट इम्बॉसिंग अँड प्रिंटिंग. सो ड्युरिंग कॉम्प्रेशन वॉट हॅपन, टॅबलेट रिसिव्ज इम्प्रिंट ऑन दी पंच आणि डिफेक्ट येतं मशीनमध्ये. सो लोअर पंच मूव स्लाइटली अपवर्ड before the ejection of the tablet and it gives the second though light imprint on the tablet. So these are the we had seen different defects in the tablet, manufacturing defects in the tablet. So first one, it is the capping. There is a complete or partial removal. Reasons these are here. Then peaking and sticking, that is material is removed or pick up by the upper punch from the upper surface of the tablet. Then mottling, that is unequal distribution of the color. Weight variation, the tablets do not have uniform weight. Then hardness variation, that is hardness depends on the weight of the material and space between the upper and lower punches during compression. So if it's vary, then hardness also vary. And the double impression, so these defects occur when the lower punch has monogram or some other engraving on it. So these are the different reasons for the manufacturing defects in the tablet. So this is a repeatedly asked question in the MSBT exam. In old syllabus also this question were asked many times. So this is simply you can write it down for the, if it is asked for the 5 marks or the 3 marks, or it can be asked explain any 2 defects in the manufacturing of the tablet for the 3 marks. Okay, so thank you so much for fully watching this video. Then if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of the upcoming video. Thank you.